I'm gonna be doing a show with Empoy next year.
Anong
We're
channel?
also, I'm part of the Council of Miss Universe that my friend handles. So Pakistan, Egypt, Denmark. So, and a lot of more things, business. I'll be launching my skincare brand po next year. So
Anong name?
we're busy. It's gonna be called Blumi. Blumii po. That. And I wanna focus po more on business. And so with being a producer, I'm happy kasi po I get to be able to choose the stories na gusto
Oo.
kong gawin.
Ano bang gusto mo pang gawin, Ars?
Ang dami pa po. Actually, my dream role, me and Direct Mike Sandejas, my director po doon sa movie namin nila, Rian, no, a few months ago. Ano po, we're planning to, we just actually talked po the other day for, ang ganda rin ng mga stories niya eh. So, yun. And yung dream role ko kasi is Girl Interrupted. Angelina Jolie. And, so,
Winona
yun.
Ryder. Sino gusto
Yes.
mo kasama dyan?
Actually, wala pa kami any plans. He just pitched his story. And I don't know if I'm even allowed to say anything.
At least,
Pero
nawala na
I'm
kami.
looking forward. I feel very ecstatic, excited. Apo.
So, 2026 is a very busy year for you, for sure.
I hope. Ako naman po, really like what Direk said. I really lift everything to God. So, I think it's better that way na parang I don't think much and I don't get stressed. Oh, and 2026, I just finished po Kumusta. So, we shot in Korea with Ji Chang-wook. Yeah. So,
Anong title?
Kumusta.
Kumusta?
So,
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero saan isi-shoot? Tapos na, di ba?
Tapos na po.
Saan siya ipalalabas dito?
Hindi ko pa po alam. Pero for sure they will gonna be announcing. They're gonna be announcing it.
Aray.
Yeah.
Sabi ni Direk kanina, pag nasa ibang bansa kayo, nag-dealing mo na yung mga tao. Hindi ba napagkakamalan ikaw sa Angelina Jolie?
I love you. Hindi.
Has it happened ba?
Oh?
Nangyari ba
Come on,
yun?
oh, hindi.
Hindi
Huwag
ba?
naman, sobra na yun. Hindi naman po siguro sabi na lang, weirdo. Ganun lang. Weirdo naman ang batang yun. Ganun lang. Ano po lang si Direk, masyado lang siyang being nice.
Love na love ka niya.
Opo,
Pero
love na love
RC,
ko yun.
recently, no, ang dami mga issue sa'yo, di ba? Ay, yung sa beauty mo, ganyan, ang dami nagka-question.
Tagal na po yan.
Oo nga, paulit-ulit tayo matigil. And may message ka ba sa kanila? Parang si Direk nga may sinagot siya. Sabi nga, ano yung pakialaman ng mukha ni RC, pakialaman yung mukha
Sinagot
niyo.
ko nga yan.
Oo.
Kasi sabi ko, tayong problema ng mundo, guys. Huwag niyo na problema yung mukha ko. Mas problema niyo yung mukha niyo. Kasi kung tayong problem, I don't wanna waste my energy. And I'm not here to please anyone. So I'm here to live my life to the fullest. And that's what I intend to do for the rest of my life. Never did I give a damn. So, ngayon pa ba na sa ganito, take it or leave it. I don't give a shit. Sorry. Lagi
Take
naman
it.
ganyan eh.
Oo,
Diba?
lagi. Paulit-ulit
Eh, ako naman,
Pero ngayon,
I know
RC,
I'm blessed. Wala akong ano.
pero ngayon, tingin ko, blooming ka, lumit yung mukha mo, ganda mo talaga
Ay,
ngayon.
Kaya nga siya mag-launch ng skincare.
Oo, dahil ba dyan sa skincare mo?
Ang dami ko ng friends actually na pinatry ko. Kaya yung mga ibang tao humingi sa kanila. Sabi mo, labas mo na kasi humingi na yung mga tao.
Ano, Korean din
Sabi ko,
made ba
wait
siya?
lang. Actually, we explored po because I'm a fan of Korean skincare.
Alam ko nga di ba
talaga.
may business ka rin sa Korea, di ba?
Opo. Kaya sabi ko, kung yung ginagamit ko effective sa akin, why not share it na lang sa iba? Di ba? Ito, I know na hindi naman, iba naman po talaga ang skin types eh. Pero I made something, I formulated it for the longest time since pandemic pa nung talagang we came up with this idea. Kasi di ba po nung time na yun, mahirap yung skincare, you can't go to clinics. So, naghanap ako ng pwede kong gamitin sa bahay. And since it worked for me, sabi ko, why not do it and share it, di ba? Na, sabi ko, kasi ang tagal ng formulation kasi iba-iba po yung effect eh. So until sabi ko, sige, make it matter, make it this, make it that. Ganito yung scent, ganito yung
So, na-perfect na
color.
now.
You know, I just finished it today. Everything, the packaging. Kasi po pabalik-balik po eh. Siyempre, packaging, papadala pa sa ibang bansa, at pa-print.
So, ikaw din
Sample.
nag-design ng packaging.
Nagbibigay po kami instruction. Siyempre, meron kami mga artists also, mga tumulong sa amin, mga friends ko din. So, I did put up a team. Siyempre, kasi I cannot do it by
So, ano yung name
myself.
na ng beauty products mo will be Bloom?
Bloomy.
Bloomy. Why
Yes.
Bloomy?
Because I want them to bloom with me. Something like that. Let's all bloom together.
How
so,
nice.
Bloom beyond their best skin. Ganyan. Bloom into your best skin. That's our slogan, our tagline.
Ganda.
Kasi lang from me,
Opo.
yan na lang, in a few words, how do you describe your 2025? And how do you see 2026 looking
My
like?
2025, it's chaotic.
Why?
It's chaotic and it's always fun though. I'm really grateful. Wala akong complaints. But I also am I just appreciate everything that's happening to my life. I have no regrets, I have no complaints. So yeah. Beautiful chaos.
And 2026?
2026, Lord, I'm looking forward naman for everything to, since nag-start kami nitong 2025, we're building up projects, building up business, building up MDN Plus. I hope na lahat yan mag-bloom at kumbaga, it pays off ng 2026. I'm looking forward for a new year, but sabi ko nga, why would I wait for 2026 when I can start now? Really, it's in your outlook in life. So I kind of like, since nagkaroon ako ng ganong klaseng outlook na talagang hindi ko na nga pinagdadasal specifically what I need, what I want. Kasi I know God has better plans that kung ano man yung gusto ko. Yun, pareho talaga kami ni Derek kaya sobra po kami nagkakasundo. Kasi minsan nakaka-stress na everything around you, what's happening.
Kaya kapag stress, ganyan yung mukha
Oh,
niya.
di ba? Stress pa yan, ah.
Kasi people, I don't let stress talaga mag-affect sa akin. Pag kunwari may someone stressful, di ba, I'm not gonna, hindi ako magsistay sa isang sitwasyon na I know na hindi makakabuti sa akin. Ngayon, I really learned how to, live and let God. And let go. Talaga, Lord, Jesus take the wheel. Yan na talaga.
Ganun naman
Ang
talaga.
gaan-gaan ng feeling.
Ako naman, last ko,
Sige, ikaw na.
Ay, di.
Thank you.
Ang last ko na lang, kasi nakita ko yung post ni Ellen, kasama kayong dalawa. Ano yun, nag-banding ba kayo?
Kami po, we're really, we're friends. Kami naman
Oo.
magkakasama po sa
Pero for a long time, di rin kayo
Yeah,
nagkikita.
because
Nag-family siya, di
family
ba?
na, pero hindi naman po kami wala ng we still do keep in touch. Pero syempre this is hard times for her and I want to be there for her whatever it is that she'll be needing.
Humingi ba ng siya si Ellen?
Ellen is really really strong. Ate, I mean
Kumusta siya ngayon? Okay.
Oo, she's very strong. Parang wala rin naman ako na...
Naitulo.
Diba? Kasi she's a strong woman.
Pero totoo.
So, kung ano man yan, I know she'll be able to
Pero
get...
anong reaction mo nung unang nabalaman mo maghiwalay sila ni Derek? Siyempre, friend mo,
Well, actually, ayoko po makailang.
Pero as friend of Ellen, di ba? For Ellen, di
Pero
ba?
actually, ang concern ko sa kanya.
Oo.
So, sabi ko, kung whatever it is, sabi ko that I can do to help you.
You will be there for her.
Yeah, she's cool and I missed her a lot.
Naku, parang dahil...
So ngayon, siguro, if it's gonna help her, I wanna spend time with her. So that's a good start.
Yeah.
So now we always message.
Talaga, nabalik uli yung dati yung
Yeah. Hindi naman po nawala.
Pero mas
I just
open
don't
na
wanna,
ngayon.
ayoko lang po mangistorbo kasi I know she has a family and the kids are growing and it's hard to, mahirap kaya mag-alaga. Ako nga hirap sa sarili ko pamilya pa.
Yan ba ang reason kaya ayaw mo pa magpamilya?
Hindi naman po. Kaya nga sabi ko, bahala na si Lord kung maibigay naman siya, okay lang. Kung wala, okay lang din. Kasi hindi, ayoko ma-push. Mas mahirap po magstay sa isang relationship na hindi, di ba, kaysa sa, okay naman ako. I'm really happy I get to do all these things. Maybe God has a deeper purpose for me why it's not happening right now.
Last ko na lang. Si Ellen ba, would you encourage her to bumalik na sa showbiz at mag-join sa'yo?
She really wants to.
Ah, talaga?
The last time we talked po, sabi ko, yeah, of course. And whatever naman po na, yeah, she can, but sabi ko, but she said po na busy siya with, muna, wag na yun. So she's dealing with a lot of things. And if
Alipasin muna.
pagtama na yung oras, sabi ko, you're welcome anytime.
Bagay kayo doon sa sinasabi mong Girl Interrupted.
Opo.
Diba? Magkamukha kayo. Tapos si Angelina at si Winona that time, mabigil.
Yeah, but hindi, iba naman po siya. Parang hindi ganun na ganun yung story.
Oo,
but-
pero parang ganun lang. Girl,
but
girly.
the girl na medyo twisted, gano'n.
Ang ganda. Na-excite